So hello guys, I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. Right, right now I need to turn my face cam off again. Okay. Subway Surfers is going on. Like, guys, I'm playing Subway Surfers right now. This might be so easy because I played Subway Surfers for a long time. Just for a fact, I played Subway Surfers for a long time. Alright guys, I'm playing it. You see how good I am at it? It's kind of glitchy because crappy tablet. Alright. It might be bad because this tablet's crappy when I'm recording. That's for a fact. It's crappy. It's crappy while I'm recording. Crappy while I'm recording. I'm trying. Might be I know it's on PC. Something going on the PC. Because I'm not using all the money I lose on this channel just by one PC, so I could play Minecraft and others. Why is this so easy? This is so easy, guys. Not my brother again. When I'm filming, it gets worse. Every second it gets worse. And the comment section, I got me done with YouTube channel. Just makes videos of their own. Like, who does that? Like a crazy guy? I'm really good at this game. Just for a fact, I've been playing this game since I was 6 or something. Probably since 2020. Since COVID-19 been running around. Oh, I just got clutch right there. 22,000 already? Whoa, that's quick. I got 22,000. No! Sorry, Pat, how to use a key. Just for the fans. Just for the view. And just for the money. Go, 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 go. Guys. I'm not gonna lie. I died on that part. It's because multiple trains was going. So shoot. Alright, guys. No! Yo! Wait, 27,000! Guys, you don't see. No, not an ad. I hate ads. I hate ads. I hate ads. Alright, guys, you see me on the top run. See 94,000 on the top run. I only have 10,000 coins. On this is when your friends be annoying. My friends don't even know these people. Claim reward? Not again. I have to watch these stupid ads over and over again. God. This song sounds so stupid, and when they scream, they sound so stupid. I'm not gonna lie. Any blurring? It's gonna be epic. It's not gonna be epic. What am I supposed to do? Just drink and nothing happens? They're both liars. It's not gonna make your bike go everywhere. I'm just gonna save that add one for later. God dang. Like that. I'm gonna open the mystery gift. Instead all my coins. I don't care. I don't care like stupid board. Okay, this. That. Entire unlocked. Open that. Times hoverboards. I'm 37 already. I don't need that much. Told you I'm going to put that last time. Missions. Achievements. High jumper. Not all of these. And then pogo sticks. And run. I need that. Forest lava. Alright guys, I'm going to play Forest lava on Subway Surfers. It's going to be epic. Running around. I was at the legendary before. It was so fast. No, no, come on. Fine, I guess I'm going to watch the stupid ads. Oh my god, not this again. It's not going to be epic. How many times I have to tell you? Close the ad again. Now I need to do this again. Yeah, I got free health. Hoverboard. Just easy. Start of it's easy. I'm gonna get 2,000. That's bad. Ooh, this dog is metal. Now the person just went like difficulty increased. Yeah. Like that. I like when the difficulty increases. Alright, this is pretty easy so far. No! No, it's bumped. Okay. Now I hate the floor. The floor! Floor is lava challenge. My delete Subway server is right in front of your faces. Tap X. God, leave. Does it hate me or something? No, no. Alright, okay. Start it off easy again. Okay. Difficulty increased. Yeah. Yeah, because I was going to legendary. Okay. Okay, it's getting a little harder. Yes, it's getting a little harder. Oh, yeah. No floor challenge reward. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think so. Oh, no. Holy, yeah. Alright. Okay, 10, 20. Okay, open this. Time is going fast right now. Okay. Claim reward. Alright. I wish I could double, but I don't want to use it. Okay. Okay, go. Mm-mm. Events. No. Have to. Why do you keep forgetting I have to do that? Yeah, mystery. Hoxmania or some reason. 3 tricky. I can't unlock tricky. Okay. More tricky. Oh, maybe get that guitar out. Super one. 4 times Jake Star outfits. Spend 5. I won't do it. Just for the video. I'm going to spend 500 coins. That'll be so free. Should I get this? Oh hell no. I'm not going to buy that. Not the surfer pack again. It's 99 free coins. Oh no. 1 point. Oh. You want me to go to my social media? Oh hell no. So I've got Spotify. I've got Twitter. I've got Discord. I've got YouTube. I got TikTok. I've got Instagram. I got Facebook. But on the links, I'm not showing you my Facebook because it's going to show my brother's face. And he told me not to show you my face on any other social media. I'll let you see my TikTok. That's what I'll let you see. My TikTok. I don't use TikTok that much, but okay. I'm going to do it just for the reviews. Coins! Oh god, I just spent a bunch of coins right now. Okay, easy peasy one. 10,000 coins. Got 2 jump starts. That. Yeah, I got the originals. And yeah, I got so much. And score boosters. 3 hoverboards. 3 headsets. Okay, I'm gonna wait to get all of that. Upgrades. I definitely need the jetpack upgrade so I can, I'm gonna do another one. Daily quest completed. Spent so much minutes of just getting achievements. Now I actually go because I only got 1 minute until I end the video. Okay. Thank you guys for watching and bye.